Hi everyone, welcome to Learning Star channel. Today we are here diving deep into one of Python's most fundamental tools, the input function. If you have been following along, you have already built a solid foundation with Python. But now it's time to make your programs interactive. So, what does the input function do? Basically, it's like opening up a little conversation with your computer. You ask the user you ask the users for some information and they type it in. That information then gets stored in a variable for you to use later. Let's say we want to ask user for their age. We can use input to store their answer in a variable called age. Age input. Okay, now let's run it. As you can see, the name input is not defined. Why? Input. Okay, let's explain it to see where we wrong. Thinking. Okay, as you can see, we write a little wrong in the syntax. Okay, let's run it again. Okay, as you can see, it's open a space to write a number. Let's write a number 10. And as you can see, the code has ended here. Okay, that means if you try to do math with it, like adding 1 to it or else, we can use input to store data. Okay, now let's test it. Okay, age, and we want to print age multiple by 2. Okay, let's run it. Give the age 20. As you can see, this is not the answer we were looking for. It's because the input stored the data in a string type, and we must change the type to get the right answer. Let's change the type by the int command. Okay, as you can see, we give it 20 and it give us the 40. Okay, now we learn little things about input and how to use it. Now let's try something a bit more complex. How about we create a program that calculates someone's birth years based on their age and the current year. We will use input to get both the age and the current year from the user. Okay, let's make it age and now. For name, we can say now or date. Okay, date. Input. Okay, and now we must convert them to integer. Okay, now for the birthday date, we must print date minus age. Okay, now let's run the code. For the age, I say 20, and for the date, I say 2020. Oh, as you can see, it gives us another problem named data is not out. We write a little wrong here. Oh, let's fix it. Here is the wrong too. Let's fix it. Okay, now run. Okay, 20, 2020. Okay, as you can see too, the answer is right. Okay, now for the challenge, it's your turn. I want you to create a program that asks the user for their name and the prints a personalized greeting. For example, if the user enters Alice, the program should print "Hello Alice" Nice to meet you. How we can do that? I give you a little hint. You can write it like this. Make input and store the input in it, Alex, and then print your greeting, and a comma and a. Your greeting, Alex. It's your problem for the next session. Okay, remember, practice makes perfect. Keep experimenting with input and other Python concepts. We will learn more about input and print in the next session to build your skills. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the 11th session in the next video tomorrow.